you know someone that one or more of these things has happened to. I guarantee it. You know why I know this? Because these aren't just like some big major legal events. These are just life events. These are the everyday things that happen to us. But I think you'll agree with me that all of them have a legal component. In other words, would those situations have been made better if you had had access to the legal system? And that's exactly what we're talking about. That's what our company, Legal Shield, does. We take the collective buying power of millions and millions of people all throughout the country that are paying by the month, and we take that money and we go and we prepay for the services of the best law firms in the nation. It is genius, and I'm going to show you how this works. And this is our first of two services that I want to share with you tonight. The first is Legal Shield. When you become a Legal Shield member, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to give you legal counsel on an unlimited number of personal issues. That basically means you can pick up the phone 20 times a day if you want to and call into your provider law firm and ask them questions and just get counsel on anything. And I think that you would agree with me that when the meter never runs, that's really a good thing. But I think you would also agree with me that when you're getting good counsel, you make better decisions.